Hey everybody, welcome to my art and cooking channel. Today I am drawing a lady from the early 1900s. We'll peg her at around 1910 or so. And there's the finished product there. And I am working in my Strathmore visual watercolor journal. It's got about 140 pound watercolor paper with a bit of a texture to it. And I did her in pencil first because I wanted to get the proportions right. And I'm going over just drawing her quickly with a micron type pen that will not bleed when I add media. So I'm trying to give another go here at my distress pencil. So I took out one of the tins and let's see, what color is this one? Is that peacock or ocean? What's that? All the blues. Salty ocean. So that's her main jacket. And then speckled egg will be her dress there, her underdress of her day jacket there. And I guess she's going for a walk with her parasol, and she's got that jacket buttons up there, the flaps for a little detailed design there. And so, yeah, I'm coloring those in. I guess these work similar to a watercolor pencil. I wouldn't necessarily put them on the same caliber of certain brands of watercolor pencils, but they're fun to use and they're great for, certainly you could use them in digital media as well, if you're not concerned about light fastness and that sort of thing. So, yeah, I thought I'd give them another go because I don't know, I didn't seem to mesh with them the first couple times I've used them. So I whipped them out and I thought, well, I'll try them again. And they did actually work really well. I enjoyed using them in this application. And so now I'm just activating them with water and getting that watercolor effect. So again, that speckled egg there for her dress and a little bit on the underside of the flaps that are turned back there. And now I'm doing her jacket. So yeah, some bright colors, sort of a day stroll out in the blues. And then what else was I going to say? Oh, she's got a bit of lace coming out of her sleeves there. And that's what those are. They aren't like fuzzy hands, but just kind of just standing there looking important. So now I'm coming in with just a little bit of flesh tone there. I just grabbed a color pencil for that. And then I hit one of the pink distress pencils with a little water just to give her some blush. It doesn't really show up. So mostly the tin I used was, I don't know what release this one was. I'm trying to look. Set 1. Okay. So yeah, it's got, what does it have? It has peeled paint, salvage patina, picket fence, black soot, walnut stain, villainous potion, salty ocean, speckled egg, picked raspberry, fired brick, rusty hinge, and mustard seed. So kind of a more of the basic set in the set 1, and you have your white and black in there and some relatively basic colors that could get you by if you don't. I don't have sets 4 through 6. I just have the 1 through 3 because before I invested in those, I really wanted to make sure that I was going to use them. And like I said, they did work well here in this application. So the question for me is, I use my Inktense pencils a lot, so I'm not sure, because these weren't cheap per tin. You get 12 per tin, and you can get sort of a bundle package, but they weren't the cheapest thing in the world. I think, you're paying a little bit for the brand name and good old Tim Holtz. I like his stuff, but sometimes the stuff's a little bit marked up for what it is. So I don't know. We'll see. The jury's out whether or not I'll get 4 through 6. Do you guys have a favorite tin of colored pencils that you use from Ranger Ink? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me for this fun little draw and color. Thank you and have a great day.